Hi guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Ganesha Creations 24. I'm Ashish and today I'm going to show you how to make an origami dress. Now, by the end of this video, if you like it, please do not forget to give a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss out on any new videos. Now, let's get folding. So for this, I've taken a 15 by 15 square centimeter sheet of paper, okay, which is color on one side and white on the other. We will start with the white side. So first we're going to fold it in half vertically and then into half horizontally, okay. So this is how we do it. We'll pick up any one side, get it to the opposite side and crease, okay. Now open this up. That was the vertical fold and now we're doing the horizontal fold. There you go. So now we've made 4 squares from one sheet of paper. Now the next thing we're going to do is lift up the right side or the left side and bring it towards the center. So here, I'll go with the right side first, keeping in mind the central fold or the central line that we have here, the crease. You will then crease the right side first, then you go with the next side, the left one, and bring it towards the center carefully and then crease, okay. So we've done that. Now the next step is folding it again, okay. Crease really well after you did this again, right. Now fold again, okay. This is crucial. You have to get this fold right, guys, so that it helps in the making of our dress, the origami dress that we're going to make. So I'm just going to make sure I match it properly and then crease very nicely, okay. So creasing is a crucial part. Crease really nicely, guys, without tearing the paper of course. So now I'm just going to open this up. So that's what we have, okay. So now we're moving towards the colored side, okay. I flipped it over to the colored side and as you can see, this here, this is a central fold, okay. So now the folds next to the central fold need to be valley folds. So this one is a valley fold, this is the central, this is the valley, and this is a mountain. So we need to convert this into a valley fold. So simply flip it over and make a mountain fold on the white side. So it is a valley fold on the colored side, okay. So there. So that's the central fold. So these are 2 valley folds and the left side just goes on really nicely. It just gets there so easily, as you can see, and that's how we have it. So I'll just flip it over to show you guys again. See, that's how it is. All right. Now the next step here that we need to do is we have to try and pull the top side down in a way that you have a central, it's like a triangle, okay. So here, just going to show it again. There. It's not very easy, you guys. Yeah, it can be difficult, so take your time and adjust the sheet of paper over again. So there. It's okay if it's not very perfect, okay. So that won't really harm or anything. So now once this is done, what we're going to do is we're going to pull this down like this, okay, and make sure that it's aligned with this fold over here. We have this fold on this side, okay, so it's aligned to that fold, and then we do the same thing over here. So now that that's done, the next thing we're going to do is just flip it over again to the white side and fold this in half in a way that you see the color on both sides, right? So now after I've picked it up, now I'm going to leave maybe a finger's bit of gap and then fold it again. So here, this is how it looks, guys. I'm just opening it up. So yeah, just that much, and then you've folded it over. Now the next step is to pull this side, the right side outward a little, so that it gives you this angle, and just crease immediately there. When you're happy with that angle, just crease, and then you recrease the top as well for the right side. Do the same thing on the left, and now this time try and match to the right side. Okay, the angles that you have, just match both sides and then recrease over here at the top. Okay, so now I'm going to flip it over again towards the white side, and now we'll pull the top sides inward, okay, like this. The next step is we're getting this pocket, half pocket that we get here. You're going to try and get another angle here, okay, like this, for the dress. So that's one side, and now try and match the other side when doing that. Okay, see, so that's done. Now for the top side, you have to just pull this down in a way that this has a line going through from this corner, this fold that we have here, this one, so it goes down here like this. Okay, there, so creased that really well. Now do the same thing on the other side. Try and match the right side. You can do the top corner first, okay, just to make sure you've got the sharp edge there and the sharp crease, and then come down towards the bottom. Alright, so now if you flip over, that is it. That's our origami dress all ready, guys. So please let me know if you like this video. If you do like a video, please give a thumbs up. Also, if you would like to watch more such content, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, share it with your friends. Thanks a lot, guys. See you next time.